What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best vacuum cleaners in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Introducing the Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner, your ideal budget-friendly vacuum cleaner for 2024. If you're seeking a balance between affordability and quality, look no further. As a part of Eureka's reputable Mighty Mite series, the Eureka 3670M has consistently demonstrated its value and efficiency over the years, much like the Eureka brand itself, a staple in American homes for over a century. The Eureka 3670M, with its distinctive technology, is poised to become your preferred cleaning companion without breaking the bank. Its stylish and compact design will immediately catch your eye. This practical canister is lightweight, weighing under 9 pounds, ensuring it won't be a burden during your cleaning tasks. Beneath its compact and robust exterior lies a potent 10-amp motor that provides powerful, consistent suction, making cleaning hardwood and tile floors a breeze. This powerful suction proves equally effective on carpets and rugs, effortlessly picking up dust, dirt, lint, pet hair, and more. The Eureka 3670M's efficiency is amplified by its range of useful accessories, enabling it to reach every corner of your home swiftly and thoroughly. It boasts a long hose, complemented by 2 extension wands and a dual-purpose dust brush and upholstery tool, allowing you to easily remove dust from your furniture. The included crevice tool reaches areas that conventional upright vacuums can't, ensuring your home's deepest corners are sparkling clean. For your floors, it comes equipped with an adjustable bare floor nozzle, which can be switched with carpet brushes with just a simple foot pressure. You'll appreciate the canister's variable suction power, adjustable via a sliding ring based on your cleaning needs. Additionally, it serves as a blower to clear leaves or debris from your garden or garage. With a dust bag capacity of 2.5 liters, it efficiently traps pet odors and allergens caused by pet dander. The dust bag can be replaced without creating a mess, allowing for easy disposal once full. Finally, the Eureka 3670M is easy to maneuver due to its large wheels. Even elevated areas like windows and curtains can be cleaned effortlessly by lifting the lightweight canister. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Rewind has been lauded as the premier pet vacuum cleaner for 2024, and it's next on our review list. This vacuum cleaner stands out due to its robust suction power, which effortlessly picks up pet fur and other debris from both hard floors and carpets. The lightweight nature of this vacuum makes it a breeze to navigate around furniture and tight corners, a perfect solution for pet owners who want to maintain a clean home without the hassle of hauling around a hefty vacuum. One of the standout features of the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser is the inclusion of specialized pet tools that can be conveniently stored on board. These include the LED illuminated crevice tool, turbo eraser tool, and a dual-purpose 2-in-1 pet grooming brush. These unique tools simplify the process of cleaning those tricky spots where pet hair tends to gather. An added convenience is the automatic cable rewind feature, eliminating the need to manually wind the 27-foot cord after cleaning. Assembly-wise, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Rewind is user-friendly. Attaching the handle and hose connections was all that was required to get it ready to use. In terms of noise pollution, this vacuum cleaner operates relatively quietly, ensuring you won't disturb your neighbors during your cleaning sessions. It also includes an optional Febreze filter that neutralizes odors while you clean, resulting in a fresh-smelling home. Additional features like tangle-free roll brushes and the one-touch, easy empty dirt tank make maintaining the vacuum itself a hassle-free task. You won't need to worry about post-cleaning maintenance after you've tidied up your home. In conclusion, we highly recommend the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Rewind Upright Vacuum for anyone seeking an effective and dependable solution for keeping their home free from pet hair. Its potent suction power, coupled with specialized pet tools, makes it ideal for quickly and effortlessly collecting pet fur. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Continuing with our review series, we bring you the Tineco Floor 1 S3 Cordless, acclaimed as the foremost cordless vacuum cleaner in 2024. This innovative appliance is set to revolutionize your floor cleaning routine by combining the functionalities of a mop and vacuum into one smart device. It does require some upkeep, but its user-friendly interface and superior cleaning capabilities make it worth your while. The Tineco Floor 1 S3 Cordless excels at cleaning hard floors, making it ideal for homes without carpets. Its dual-action cleaning process, simultaneously vacuuming and mopping, is perfect for busy households. Kids might even be intrigued by its self-propelling design and eye loop sensor that gives real-time feedback on floor cleanliness. Leveraging AI and smart sensors, this floor cleaner intuitively adjusts its power, water flow, and suction based on the dirt level, ensuring optimal cleaning performance for up to 35 minutes of battery life. The brush roller provides a thorough clean, leaving your floors devoid of stains and instantly dry. The vacuum function absorbs any excess water, contributing to the overall cleanliness. One of the key selling points of the Tineco Floor 1 S3 Cordless is its ability to detect concealed dirt and adjust suction power dynamically, setting it apart from other brands. When operating in automatic mode, the colored band around the rim changes from blue to red, providing visual confirmation that your floors are indeed getting cleaned. Post-cleaning maintenance is as easy as activating the self-cleaning cycle with a single touch. This 5-minute process cleans the brush roller and hose by circulating fresh water through them, all while giving you step-by-step updates. For this feature to work effectively, the dirty water tank should be empty and the clean water tank at least 40% full. Once done, the device will automatically start charging. The intelligently designed charging base also serves as storage for an extra brush roll, an additional HEPA filter, and a 3-in-1 cleaning brush. The voice assistant feature provides real-time performance updates, power level information, blockage alerts, and other operational details. It also sends audible notifications when switching modes or when the dirty water tank is full. Good stuff. Introducing the Samsung Jet 90 Pro, a top contender for the best vacuum cleaner title in 2024. With an impressive battery life of up to 60 minutes on a single charge, this cordless vacuum cleaner is also equipped with a unique accessory that transforms it into a mop, effortlessly handling spills and stains. It features a HEPA filter that eliminates remaining allergens from your space during vacuuming. Its digital inverter motor ensures quiet operation and energy efficiency. Unboxing the Samsung Jet 90 Pro might seem daunting due to its numerous components, but a quick read of the manual and a few minutes of assembly result in a ready-to-use device. The vacuum function transitions smoothly across different surfaces, making your cleaning routine almost enjoyable. Its efficient dust collection leaves your home noticeably cleaner, while the multi-layer filtration system purifies the air, ideal for those susceptible to allergies. The user-friendly display panel features an on-off switch and buttons to adjust suction power, all conveniently positioned for easy access during use. An LED indicator on the battery displays the remaining charge. Weighing only 2.8 kilograms, this lightweight vacuum is effortless to carry around your home, and the adjustable telescopic pole allows you to customize the device to your preferred height, eliminating the need for uncomfortable bending. This Samsung Jet 90 Pro comes with a variety of attachments to cater to any cleaning scenario. All accessories can be neatly stored on the standalone Z-Station charger. Included are 2 roller brush head attachments, the turbo brush suitable for both hard floors and carpets, and the mini motorized tool ideal for sofas, beds, and car seats. A small brush head attachment and an extendable crevice tool allow you to reach difficult spots. In addition to vacuuming, the Samsung Jet 90 Pro can also mop your floors with a high-speed mop spin feature. You have the option of using either disposable or reusable wet pads, making mopping easy and leaving your floors looking immaculate with minimal effort. The dustbin, although not overly large, is simple to empty and clean, as both the bin and filter can be thoroughly washed. Thumbs up. We are excited to introduce you to the top contender in our list of the best vacuum cleaners of 2024, the Dyson V15 Detect. Dyson, a well-respected name in the vacuum industry, is renowned for its high-end products that incorporate cutting-edge technology. However, with a plethora of models and a premium price tag, selecting the right Dyson can be challenging. After thorough scrutiny, the Dyson V15 Detect, one of Dyson's flagship cordless vacuums, emerged as a clear winner. This model outshines its competition due to its consistent performance, innovative features, and its seamless transition between hard floors and carpets. This lightweight vacuum cleaner, weighing under 7 pounds, is effortless to handle and store. Despite its compact size, it packs enough power to tackle significant cleaning tasks in large homes. But what truly sets this vacuum cleaner apart is its unique laser feature, which illuminates hidden dust and dirt, making cleaning more effective than ever before. The V15 Detect comes equipped with 2 distinct heads, a soft roller specifically designed for hard surfaces, and another equipped with a lint remover for carpets and rugs. Like all Dyson cordless models, it can be effortlessly transformed into a handheld vacuum for more versatile cleaning. The roller remains free from entanglement, handling pet hair and human hair with ease. Its suction power is potent, yet noise efficient, and the battery proved to be reliable during various tests. Our favorite feature of the Dyson V15 Detect is the eponymous Detect technology. This feature projects a green light ahead of the vacuum head, highlighting minute dust particles on hard floors that would otherwise go unnoticed. Another noteworthy feature of the V15 is its battery-saving technology. One common gripe about cordless vacuum cleaners is their limited battery life. The Dyson V15 Detect addresses this issue by automatically adjusting its suction power according to the size of the detected particles, thereby conserving battery life. This model also comes with a 2-year warranty, providing peace of mind with the promise of a replacement part or a new vacuum if anything goes wrong. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best vacuum cleaners in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.